Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the all-new Mitsubishi L200 or Triton unveil. The Japanese firm has unveiled its next generation pickup or UTE, which replaced the model that has been in production since 2015. The UTE will be available in a single, super cab and double cab variant. There are many turbodiesel motors to choose from. All of them are 4-cylinder. The least powerful model produces 150 PS and 330 Nm of torque. The more powerful one has 184 PS and 430 Nm, and the most powerful one produces 204 PS and 470 Nm of torque. The latter being a B-turbo engine. A 6 manual or a 6 auto will be the transmission option, as well as having either rear or 4-wheels drive. The new L200 or Triton has a redesigned leather frame chassis for a better road performance, ride comfort, and improved durability. The interior has changed too, with the steering wheel, dash, and the infotainment display being similar to the new Outlander. The new L200 or Triton will be available in Australia in late 2023 or early 2024. It is not yet clear if the L200 will arrive in Europe. If it does, it will certainly not come to the UK. As a reminder, Mitsubishi will only re-enter the local market if there is at least 2 electric vehicles in the range. There will be an electric L200 or Triton coming later on. So, there is a possibility of it coming to the UK, provided they make another EV. Okay guys, what do you think about 2024 Mitsubishi L200 or Triton? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.